rambling today? Just let me show you the only sound effects that you need to build tension in your videos and create something like this. Beeping sounds. Beeps, alarms, and heartbeats are used to communicate urgency and danger. These sounds are usually associated with fear, stress, and adrenaline. These type of sounds are suitable to build tension because they create anticipation and anxiety. Something is about to happen, but we don't know what or how. Risers. Risers are used to create a strong feeling of transition. These sounds suggest that something is approaching, escalating, or about to happen. Something is coming, but what? We only know that danger is getting closer. Risers are also perfect to indicate that a situation is becoming more intense. Brams suggest a sudden, powerful release of energy. They imply shock, danger, surprise. Brams are usually used after risers. This type of sound may introduce a new threat or unexpected event. Thoughts. Thoughts convey a feeling of weight, impact, or physical danger. Compared to a bram, a thud feels more realistic. It implies that something has fallen or collided. They are also usually used as transitions for a dramatic effect. Drones. Drones are used to create an ominous, mysterious, and uncertain atmosphere. They might introduce a mysterious scene, a dangerous location, or person. A sustained, unresolved sound like the drone indicates that something is coming, but you don't know when. Is this person dangerous? Are they feeling something mysterious? We only feel the tension. Violins. My favorite. Violins create a strong feeling of nervousness, danger, and psychological discomfort. Violins rising in pitch, volume, and intensity create a strong sense of escalation. Sharp violin sounds act like a strong jump scare. Unlike other sounds, violins resemble a cry, a scream, or voice, which makes the tension feel more human. Now, let's mix them all together. This has been MBM in motion. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.
They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.